Now let's talk about the erectile dysfunction, the ancestral muscle, penetrating vessel, and the penis. The ancestral muscle, the penetrating vessel, and the penis. The term zongjin is mentioned in the classics, usually in the connection with the penetrating vessel. The meaning of the term zongjin, literally ancestral muscle, is the subject of varying interpretations. The two main views are that this term refers to the rectus abdominis muscles, the muscles that run either side of the midline, or that it refers to the penis. There are passages in the Old Text that would support both opinions. The rectus abdominis muscles are muscles that run vertically in the abdomen, either side of the midline, attached to the xiphoid process and lower ribs above, and the symphysis pubis, or the pubic bone, below. Chapter 44 of the Simple Question mentions the ancestral muscle. The penetrating vessel is the sea of the channels. It irrigates the rivers and valleys, and it connects with the bright yang, stomach channel, in the ancestral muscle. Thus, yin and yang meet in the ancestral muscle and connect with the avenues of the abdomen, which are under the control of the stomach. They are all restrained from the girdle vessel or diamide and connect with the governing vessel, dumai. The above passage, rivers and valleys, refer to large and small meeting points of the muscles. Yin and yang refer to the penetrating vessel and the stomach channel, respectively. As the penetrating vessel runs along the kidney points, which are 0.5 con from the midline, and the stomach channel points, which are 2 con from the midline, they broadly enclose the rectus abdominis muscles in between them. In fact, the kidney channel lies on the medial border of the rectus abdominis, and the stomach channel lies on the muscles itself, but towards its lateral border. The rectus abdominis originates from the xiphoid process and inserts in the pubic bone. Therefore, the points kidney 11, Hingu, and stomach 30, Pichong, are directly over the insertion of the rectus abdominis. That is another reason why the kidney and stomach channels control the ancestral muscle. The clinical note: the points kidney 11, Hengu, and stomach 30, Pichong, are right over the insertion of the rectus abdominis, and the kidney and stomach channels broadly enclose the rectus abdominis. The kidneys house the prenatal chi, and the stomach the postnatal chi. It is probably for this reason that the muscle was called the ancestral muscle. Thank you for your attention.